When it comes to the houses in Goa, then trust me, they are super cute as well as therapeutic. She's Jasmine. Okay. Are you enjoying this place?
Yes.
How much? Very much. In this vlog, I'm going to show you two houses of Goa. One in which we stayed, that's our friend's house, and another one where we were invited for a dinner. That will come ahead in the vlog. So just to be clear that this is not an Airbnb, it's just a home tour of the place where we stayed in Goa, and the place was really well managed, and that's why I decided to cover it. They had CD collection, book collection in the living room, and there was a guitar, and we thought of playing some sessions but we couldn't. So but we made sure that we utilize most of the things that they have. And here's just a short tour of this home. So it has two more floors, like there is first floor and then second floor. I'll just take you in a while, but this is a small kitchen tour. Closets, oh, everything is there. We can cook also, I think. Yeah. So see, the owners are really uh helpful. Okay. Okay, you have a washing machine also here. I think that's an OTG. Okay, so that was for the kitchen. Again, that's the view from the kitchen. ठीक है. Jasmine, let's go upstairs. Now I'll take you to the first floor. Okay, so that's the first floor where you have one room here, and along with the washroom I'm not going to show you, and there is one more room there. What we have done is we have removed the mattresses from here and taken it to the second floor. I'll tell you why. Then you have this beautiful balcony. Now let's go to second floor. Okay, so that's our luggage. We have kept it here. So for now we are four. So what we have done is we wanted to sleep together, so that's why we have put the mattresses here and the bed there. There's the washroom. Let me show you. Okay, so that's the washroom, and that's me. Okay, after this you again have a beautiful balcony. So that was a home in Panjim, and now I'm just going to take you to another home where we were invited for the dinner. So here it is. So guys, we have come to a very beautiful place. They are the artistic people. They've invited us for the dinner, and here I'm just going to show you, not myself today, but some artistic things. Look at their house. It's so beautiful. You want like the washroom, and like it's mesmerizing.
I think it's Pesci saying it's mesmerizing.
Oh my god. So next we have is, I don't know what, there is something. I'll show you this area later. So this is from the Isha Foundation. Wow, it's so good. Okay, so this place has a clear, like, different vibe all together. So guys, this is so therapeutic. So the owner of this house, Mr. Vinay, has made all of these paintings himself. He is just so brilliant in his work. And after the tour, we all just sat together for some gossips and fun. And here I was singing for all of them. So hope you enjoy it. ਗੋਆ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਗਏ ਗੋਆ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ So my friend Jasmine has received her certificate finally for which she came here and because of which I also came here.
Congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know we're happy as can be.
So guys, that's Amrula. So elephants used to drink it for pleasure. That's the story. That's the story.
Elephant stopped any and everybody from coming near the tree to partake of the fruit, alright? And when it was ready to eat, because it was fermented, they ate it themselves and they fell rolling drunk on the ground. Okay? We have some elephants who are humans also that like to partake of it. All of you are elephants partaking of this, and there you fall drunk on the ground.
So now you know the story.
Now just
I hope you like the vlog and please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and keep watching more such videos.